Hey guys, today I'll show you how you can remove Meta AI from WhatsApp. So let's get started. Right now, you can't completely remove or uninstall Meta AI from WhatsApp because it's built directly into the app by the developers. However, you can hide it and reduce how often you see or interact with it. First, if you have a Meta AI chat in your chat list, you can mute it. Open the chat, tap on the options menu, and select Mute Notifications. Set it to always so you won't get any alerts from it again. Another option is to long press the Meta AI chat from your chat list. From there, you can either archive it to hide it from your main screen or delete it completely if you don't want to see it at all. Also, when using the search feature in WhatsApp, try to avoid tapping on AI suggestions. Instead, manually search for your chats or scroll through your list to find what you need. In some versions of WhatsApp, you may also find AI-related features in settings. If available, you can disable those options to further limit Meta AI's presence. While these steps won't fully remove Meta AI, they will help you keep it out of your way and make your WhatsApp experience cleaner. That's it. I'll be back with more in the next video.